Hello there everyone! In this video, I'm going to talk to you all about some good news in regards to New Jersey Transit. And that is, some trains are being restored. So, the headline article from NJ.com reads, Murphy restores these direct trains to New York City. Is New Jersey Transit engineering crisis ending? And this article was written back on Monday, October 14th. So we'll read this article. By the way, this is a picture of the governor speaking at a news conference at the Westfield train station. So it was written by Larry Higgs and Brent Johnson. Commuters who lost their off-peak direct trains to New York more than a year ago got good news from Governor Phil Murphy back on Monday, October 14th, that New Jersey Transit trains are coming back. The governor announced that New Jersey Transit will restore that service on the Raritan Valley line on Monday, November 4th. But the announcement has ramifications beyond Raritan Valley line riders. It could be the beginning of the end of New Jersey Transit's shortage of having enough locomotive engineers on staff to operate trains. 7 engineers are scheduled to graduate classroom training on Wednesday, October 16th. So you should be seeing this video on the 16th, hopefully. And will do their on the railroad training before they are qualified to operate trains, said Diane Gutierrez-Scatiti, the state's transportation commissioner. The announcement came the same day that 13 NJT trains were canceled, preliminary due to a lack of engineers, Murphy said. Murphy said the restoration of Raritan Valley Line service means the elimination for major headaches for thousands of riders. The governor said, it means more time getting to where you need to go and less time waiting. RVL trains now terminate in Newark Penn Station, where riders have had to run up and down the stairs to transfer to New York Penn Station on other tracks. Direct New York service was started back in March of 2014 after 16 years of lobbying. Off-peak New York service was suspended on the Raritan Valley line in September 2018, along with the Atlantic City line, to install positive train control equipment for that federally mandated safety system, which must be operational by 2020. Atlantic City line service was restored in May, which I did bring that up. But Raritan Valley line riders were still waiting for a date when their New York train service would return. Mayor Colleen Marr of Funwood said, new housing is being built at stations along the Raritan Valley line, adding more commuters. The governor has listened to their concerns. U.S. Representative Tom Malinowski, Democrat for the 7th Congressional District, said that the line is critical not only to residents that ride it, but also the state's growing economy. Malinowski, a member of the U.S. House Transportation and Infrastructure Committee, said, this is a significant forward step for all of us. Alright, so I don't really want to get into more of it, but this is good news. I'm really glad, And again, this is what Governor Murphy does. He's looking out for people on NJT, unlike the previous governor who was a turd and just didn't really care about their interest and pretty much put off the PTC. So before I wrap up this video, I'm just going to look up when the next New Jersey Transit Board meeting is, because I know it's going to be taking place in Newark sometime later this month. So let's just check their website. So the next meeting, believe it or not, is taking place today. So perfect timing how I needed to upload this on time. So I'm going to make sure this video is up at 8 a.m. on the 16th, which is Wednesday, because I'm pre-taping this video. But it is very important that I look this up, because I'm thinking, wait a minute, wasn't this the week where NJT was supposed to have a board meeting? Well, I'm hoping that Kevin Corbett will bring this up today. And I'm hoping that they will live stream the video like they did on YouTube, because something crazy happened last month where they were starting to live stream their meetings on YouTube, which was kind of odd, which nobody really expected that. But hey, it's better than nothing. But if you aren't interested, I'll just quickly read it. The meetings will convene in the boardroom at NJT's headquarters, which is located at 1 Penn Plaza East, 9th floor in Newark, New Jersey. So members of the public are encouraged to speak. So open to the public. So look at this. They have all their meetings listed until 2020. Wow. So that's interesting. I will say that. Wow, look at this. All of the meetings are listed. You have November, December, pretty much the first 6 months of 2020. Wow. That's pretty impressive. I just wish the MTA would do that. But again, hopefully, if it is brought up, I will have a video clip maybe from the meeting later tonight. I'll try to rip it using my OBS, and then I'll just, put it up here, because I'm hoping Kevin Corbett will bring that up today at the board meeting. Well, it won't be until tonight, but I will monitor it. I will keep an eye on it, because even though I eat dinner at 6 o'clock, and, let's say I do have to keep an eye on it, I will see what I can do. If not, I could just upload on Thursday. It really doesn't matter, but I will hopefully bring up Kevin Corbett's remarks on that, because I think he needs to bring this up. He, again, is the president of NJT, so hopefully he will discuss this at the board meeting later tonight at 6 p.m. So hopefully there should be a live stream like there was last month, which, again, I was surprised and many people were. So there's just some good news once again that Raritan Valley Line service is finally being restored. That's excellent. And hopefully, it looks like in New Jersey, positive train control will be installed by 2020. So with that, thank you all for watching. And until the next one, please take care.